Why did Sundar Baug, Kandivali choose royal play equipments for their outdoor play area? All these royal play equipments are installed here. Here's the reason. Because we don't just install playgrounds, we engineer safe childhood experiences. Our play systems are built using premium-grade materials, rounded edge finishing, anti-rust treatment, and UV-stable colors that stay strong in every weather. Each design is carefully planned to improve balance, coordination, strength, and confidence while keeping child safety as the first priority. We focus on long life, low maintenance, and maximum safety standards so parents feel relaxed and children play freely. The difference is simple. Others sell equipment, we create dependable play environments that last for years. Built for fun, engineered for safety, durable play kids love and parents trust. Choose Royal Play Equipments today. Built for two kids to play together safely, strong frame, balanced motion, anti-slip seats, and smooth finish. More comfort, more fun, and trusted durability that parents choose. Exciting themed rides that spark imagination, balanced motion design, anti-slip grip, and shock-absorbing support for gentle movement. Built tough, tested safe, and perfect for everyday outdoor play. Smooth balanced movement, anti-skid seats, strong structure, safe fun kids love, quality parents trust. Designed for fun and peace of mind, wide slide path, cool touch surface and secure side walls keep kids confident while they enjoy a smooth, exciting ride, built strong to last for years outdoors. More than a seat, a safe rest zone for parents and kids, with smooth edges, weatherproof material and sturdy build that lasts longer than ordinary benches. Quality, safety, and design all in one place. Choose Royal Play Equipments for your next project.